Vote for Ram Muivah and let's restore the past glory of our ancestors. Support Mission Ukhrul. Stronger together.
Itul naka avaram semgasa ngajangkwisa sangna jodhaira iyur. Itumwi kyashi gabayo ojaram ningli. Saigorui legishi mida. Itumwi kanmet shijinda vote sangmisa. Ojana avaramli odgachunga sami ghai wivang. Ningshi haira the vote tiena karun azamra haira. Ojawi mirinli verena somida mingmyang merino okpe merino.
NPF is the only party that truly represents our people, the only party that understands our culture. Let's support Ram Muivah. Long live NPF. NPF for indigenous rights.
Vote for Naka People's Front because NPF is the only political party that represents our people. Vote for NPF. Vote for Ram Muivah. Ukhrul AC for Ram Muivah.
Vote for NPF because NPF is not a mere political party but a people's movement. Long live Ram Muivah, long live NPF.
Vote for NPF, vote for Sir Ram Muivah. But why should we vote for him? NPF is not just a political party, but it is the only party that understands and that represents our people, our identity and our culture. Ukhrul deserves much better than what it is today. I believe Sir Ram Muivah is the most competent candidate of all the candidates for the upcoming election 44 AC Ukhrul. Let's support him and help him build Ukhrul, the Jerusalem of Manipur. God bless Ukhrul. Mission Ukhrul.
Legishia avaram rujum now being. You're hearing a tanquiza jaka NPF League Domsa. Nagano akasada itumi moral responsibility mamlaesa. Kyashig by Saram Ningli Ningtong Lagang Nagadomsa. My kaya kung kvai Manipur Hamvershimni Zanglaka. Vote for Ram Muivah. Support NPF. Let's revamp Naga Nation. Kuknalim.
Let's vote for Sir Ram Muivah, NPF Ukhrul. It seems NPF is growing everywhere, and I think it's time for us to choose the right party that is genuinely concerned about our Naga people, rights and grievances. The party vowed to stand for tribal rights. We don't want to be represented by any other national party whose priorities and objectives contradicts our way of living and cultural practices. Let's support NPF. Let's support Ram Muivah. Kuknalim.